Morning to all of us. Welcome to Almusal Tayo with Neb. Dear brothers and sisters, have we ever asked these questions to God? Lord, bakit ho nangyayari sa buhay ko ito? Lord, ano ho ba ang plano mo para sa akin? Alam niyo mga kapatid, we all face hardship in life. Painful situations, struggles. Sometimes, and most of the time, we overcome with the help of the Lord. We have plans. We make greater plans, bigger plans for ourselves. And when we do that plans, gumagawa tayo ng mga action plan, a step-by-step action plan, para natin mapagtagumpayan kung ano man ang mga plano natin na gagawin. But we don't see the big picture. Meaning, hindi natin alam kung magiging successful ito or would it still be a failure. So, we can only trust God. We can only give it to God. Because I know, and for sure, God's plan is better than our plan. Ang pag-iisip natin, limitado. Bakit? Kasi hindi natin alam ang dulo ng mga plano natin. Pero ang Diyos, alam niya. Sabi nga ho sa Ecclesiastes 55:8, basahin ko. For my thoughts are greater than your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. Ang linaw naman po, no? So, hindi natin maaabot at hindi natin makikita ang kayang gawin ng Panginoon para sa buhay natin. So, let's entrust this to the Lord. Hindi natin maintindihan yan sa ngayon, but in His perfect time, we will realize that it really makes sense. Ano po? Dahil yan ang pangako niya. Ang buhay kasi natin is like a big puzzle. Ang puzzle po, ang hirap buuin, di ba? There will be trial and errors, difficulties, struggles, challenges, habang binubuo natin ang puzzle. But once na nabuo na natin siya, we will see a beautiful picture. At masayang masaya ka pag nabuo mo yan. That's our life. It's like a big puzzle. Sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes 3:11, He has made everything beautiful in time. So, magantay tayo. Huwag kang mainip. Just continue the action plans that you had built. Just continue to put the structures all together and let God finish it for you. Let's trust God because God's plan is always good for us. He will make us go into the struggles. He will make us feel the pain. He will make us feel the hardship. But just bear with it. Overcome it. Because that's only the preparation for you to be able to handle the big blessing that is coming in your life. Ganon magmahal ang Panginoon. Magmahal ang Panginoon is not to harm you. Ang pagmamahal niya is to shape you, to strengthen you. Dahil ang ginagawa niya para sa iyo is not just about your plan, but it's also about His glory. Thank you po sa pakikinig, and let's return the praises to the Lord. To God be the glory, and God bless po sa ating lahat.